My need for installing solar is electricity bill is very high. We have the law in which 500 units and above it costs more. If we use solar, it costs less, so it is cost efficient. And the reason for me using the solar, it was installed because of my study purpose. During my final year exams, solar inverter helped me. While I'm doing my exams, I faced many power cuts issues. Only because of this solar inverter, I can complete my exam without any tension. Currently, I'm running 4 fans and 6 lights, and I'm running a TV from this, and I'm just charging my laptop for daily use. That's all. As for now, I am so satisfied with my solar system, and I'm using this without grid, so it costs me very low. Day to day, the electricity bills are increasing, and the production of electricity is becoming tougher. But whereas in the solar energy, we can get in abundance. In the country like India, we have a huge source of sunlight, and so we can just use these panels, and we can store those energies, and we can use this energy efficiently for our day-to-day life. So I recommend everyone to buy solar, to convert from electricity to solar energy for a better future. Thank you.